Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on September 5, 2022, 5-star Sudoku. Column C, fifth row, we have pair numbers 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come these cells. It will give me another two cells. We will confirm later. Sixth grade. Column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 9 also here. Fifth row and seventh row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column B, seventh row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Fourth grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 5 and 6. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining. 5 and 6. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column E, 10th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column F, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then fifth grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 5 and 8. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Sixth row, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 7. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Tenth row and second row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column F, second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 9 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 5. 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Second row, fourth row, column B, column C, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Seventh grade and second row, we have pair numbers 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Second row, third row, we have 1. Column C also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column C, column E, column H, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Seventh row, second row, we have 3. And eighth row also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Second row and eighth row and seventh row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 7 also here. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 7, 9, column H, we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come this cell, it will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column H and second row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 9 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column J, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. The 9 is confirmed here. 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, we have 9 and 8. So 9 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. Column F, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then we can confirm 6 also here. 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Second row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 5th grade, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 2nd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. 4th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 2nd row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 5th row, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 4th grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column G and 8th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Second row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Second row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. 8th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 7th grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column E, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. 4th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 9th row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Column H, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. 3rd row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 3rd row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 3rd row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. 4th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.